Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the first part of model auxiliaries. In the previous video I have explained auxiliaries and its two types. Link is given in the description box for your reference. Out of 15 models, we will see only 4 model auxiliaries in the first part. They are can, could, may and might. Can and could share some common functions, so we can learn them together. First function comes, both of them are used to show some ability or skill. In other words, capacity. Example, she can dance elegantly. In this sentence, can is used to show the skill of the particular girl. In the second example, even as a child, she could sing well. In this, could is used to show some ability or a skill which a child has developed from the beginning stage itself. The second function comes to grant permission. To grant permission or to get permission, we can use both the modal auxiliaries can and could. In the example, you can go now. In this, can is used to give permission. At the same time, can I go to the cinema tonight? In this one, can is used to ask permission. So, whether to ask permission or to give permission, we can use both the modal auxiliaries. Here, polite request. If you want to make a polite request, we can use only could, not can. Commonly, can and could are sharing two functions, and when you want to make a request, that too very politely, we should use the word could. Could you pass the salt, please? Could you lend your umbrella, please? In this way, for making polite requests, we can use could. The next function comes. The next modal auxiliaries are may and might. May and might, both of them share common functions just like can and could. First one is, as we have seen in can and could, first function comes here to denote permission. That means granting permission. You may go now. In this, may is used to give permission to someone to go. In the next example, she might enter the college next year. In this sentence, she is given the permission to enter college only next year. That is the meaning. The second function of may and might is to show or to express possibility or probability. It may rain today. The condition at present, it shows that or seems like that there are chances that it may rain today. Another example we can see, I was afraid that she might refuse. Here might is used to show possibility was there that she might refuse it. And the third function comes here to ask questions. Asking questions is the function of all the modal auxiliaries. Each and every modal auxiliary can be used to ask a question. The same one here, they two share. Might I borrow your pen a minute? Fourth one is to express some purpose. If you want to express a purpose, we can use may and might. Example will make it very clear. We eat so that we may live. So the purpose of eating is to live. We eat so that we may live. Another example, the soldiers fought at the border that we might live peacefully. So the purpose of fighting of the soldiers at the border is to keep the people live very peacefully in the other part. The last function is to express a wish, but that in this function only may can be used. May God bless you. Here we can't use might, only may will be used to express our wish or some greetings. Hope you understood the functions of these four modal auxiliaries. If you liked it, please give your liking and share it and subscribe the video. Thank you.